So, let's decorate my Charles and Keith bag. So, napaka-formal niya. So, I wanted to put bag charms para magamit ko siya kahit na casual lang. So, let's do this.